Hello, welcome back to Mrcrazytech YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well and will be fine. So today I bring us some interesting topic for you guys. So if you are the newbies and you are watching first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting updates. So before starting the video, if you have liked this video, so please like, share and also hit the subscribe button. From this channel you will be watched computer tricks and tips, Android phone tricks, and also watch some more interesting videos about ethical hacking such as Facebook hacked, WhatsApp hacked, Instagram and all social media content. So keep in mind this all content will be only for educational purpose. Please don't use it for illegal activities. Thank you.
Certainly. Here are 5 highly regarded Android editing apps that cover various types of editing. 1. Adobe Photoshop Express. Adobe Photoshop Express is a powerful photo editing app that provides a wide range of features. It offers tools for basic adjustments, such as exposure, color, and cropping, as well as advanced features like filters, text overlays, and collage creation. It also supports RAW file editing. 2. 𝐓𝐿𝐴𝐻. 𝐓𝐿𝐴𝐻 is a user-friendly video editing app that offers a wide range of features. It includes a variety of themes, filters, and transitions to enhance your videos. 𝐓𝐿𝐴𝐻 also provides options for adding text, music, and overlays to your footage.
3. PowerDirector. PowerDirector is a comprehensive video editing app with a simple yet intuitive interface. It offers a wide array of editing tools, including timeline-based editing, special effects, transitions, and more. It also supports 4K video editing, making it suitable for high-resolution projects. 4. KineMaster. KineMaster is a popular choice for Android video editing, offering a wide range of features and an easy-to-use interface. It supports multiple video layers, blending modes, voice-overs, and a variety of effects. KineMaster also provides precise control over video speed and offers a chroma key feature for green screen editing.
5. 𝐓𝐡𝐢. 𝐓𝐡𝐢 is a video editing app developed by GoPro. It is designed for creating quick and stylish videos by automatically analyzing your footage and adding effects, transitions, and music. 𝐓𝐡𝐢 offers a variety of templates to choose from and allows you to customize the editing style to match your preferences. Please note that the availability of apps and their features may have changed since my last knowledge update. I recommend checking the Google Play Store for the latest information and user reviews to find the best video editing app for your specific needs.
I hope that you understand well. So if this video was helpful for you guys, then subscribe Mrcrazytech YouTube channel for more interesting updates. So best of luck and we'll be meet within next video. Take care, goodbye.